And generally, when you take these cells and you treat them with that agent alone without any other treatment, you're going to start to see neurotoxicity in these cells in 5 days, and generally they're all going to die off. The vast majority are going to die off in 8 days. However, co-treatment at the same time with acetyl-L-carnitine arginate rescued the vast majority of the cells from this neurotoxicity and cell death. When you pre-treated with the acetyl-L-carnitine arginate, it appeared to protect these neurons from the neurotoxicity completely. And it appeared to maintain the normal calcium homeostasis. So even if you would put the toxic producing materials in with the acetyl-L-carnitine arginate, it would tend to rescue them or protect them. Pre-treatment, even better benefits.